Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning viewers. Today on 17 June 2021, happy gathering with us in breaking news of Eagle TV, which will provide you the real news which is taken factually from the field, either from national or international. I am Faisal Umar Alamin, will accompany you for 5 minutes later with many kinds of information. Well, let's begin the news today. All schools in Indonesia expected to be able to hold face-to-face learning in the new academic year 2021-2022. However, face-to-face learning will be carried out very carefully, even should COVID-19 case that has recently hit a number of regions. According to the Minister of Health, Budi Gunadi Sadikin, the principle of prudence in the implementation of face-to-face learning was conveyed by President Joko Widodo. The President previously directed that face-to-face education, which will begin later, must be carried out with extra caution. Budi said in a press conference broadcast by the Presidential Secretariat's YouTube on Monday, 7 June 2021. Reporting from Kompas.com, face-to-face school in July will not be exactly the same as the previous school. There are things and conditions that need to be considered, including: first, the number of students can only be 25% of the total student. Second, school is held a maximum of 2 days a week. Third, the maximum duration of study is 2 hours. However, the government still allows if the parents or guardian of student do not allow students to study face-to-face. Moreover, because only 25% of students are allowed, of course there are students who continue to study online due to quota limitation. However, it should be underlined that of the 25% of students allowed are students who are completely healthy and do not have any symptoms or disease, whether related to the COVID-19 virus or not. The existence of this condition is of course to anticipate things that are not desirable and to minimize the duration of gatherings that occurs. Of course, when learning is carried out, continue to carry out health protocols such as wearing masks, washing hands, and maintaining distance. However, before face-to-face learning begins, all teachers, lecturers, and those related to preaching and learning activities must receive a vaccine injection first. Minister of Education and Culture Nadiem Makarim also target that teachers, lecturers, and education personnel have finished by vaccinated by the end of June 2021. Even so, the implementation of face-to-face learning must also be reviewed from the case of each region. Because each region must have different case of COVID-19, it is recommended to all regional heads to provide honest results so that the teaching and learning process goes well in without bringing new problems to the regions and of course to the Indonesian nation. Thank you viewers, that is the news which I could convey to you today. If you have some critics and suggestions, please visit us in www.eaglenews.com. I am Faisal Umar Alamin and all of crew of Breaking News of Eagle TV say happy nice day. Keep your spirit, peace, love, and respect. See you next opportunity. Bravo Indonesia. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.